Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Attach each leg by aligning the screw holes into the base. Then, fully tighten each screw. Firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Next, firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Place the cover over the gas lift. Make sure the arrow on the mechanism is facing the front of the seat cushion. Line up your mechanism with the screw holes on the bottom of the seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Next, connect your backrest to the bottom of the seat cushion with the included L-bar screws. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.